Dhruv, we have to win this kite competition.
You know what? This shop has the best kites. My brother recommended it to me.
We will buy only blue kites. Remember, blue is my lucky color.
JC, not blue color this time. We will buy colorful ones.
Come on, Dhruv. Blue is my lucky color. And I'm telling you, we will surely win this kite competition as well.
Okay, JC. We will buy blue kites.
What's bothering you two?
Uncle, we want the best kites.
We want only blue kites.
Kids, I don't have any kites which are only blue in color. But I do have some which are partly blue.
What part of the kites are blue in color?
They are of 1/4, 1/3, 1/6, 1/8.
1/4. That's a fraction. But what about the others?
The others are also fractions. Kids, first tell me, what do you understand by fractions?
Uncle, when one whole is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction of the whole.
Very good, son. Look at these kites.
Wow, the kites are so colorful. Dhruv, look, all have the color blue in them. We can buy any of these.
Yay! You are right, JC. But I'm wondering, which fraction of the color blue in the kite does each kite represent?
Kids, can you tell me which kite is 1/4 blue?
Uncle, this kite has 4 parts and one out of these 4 is blue.
Correct.
Uncle, what about the other kites?
Son, look at this kite. Since the kite is divided into 3 parts and one part out of 3 is blue in color, it represents the fraction 1/3.
Okay, Uncle, I shall take both of these kites.
JC, wait! The other 2 kites are so colorful and have some parts blue in color.
If you say so. Uncle, please show us these kites.
Before that, kids, can you tell me how many parts this kite is divided into?
This is divided into 8 parts.
Correct. How many parts out of 8 are blue in color?
Only one part.
Since the kite is divided into 8 parts and one part out of 8 is blue in color, it represents the fraction 1/8.
Cool! This kite will look great in the sky. It has so many colors. Uncle, what about the 4th kite?
Come on, JC. Let's do it ourselves and find out how many parts have the color blue.
Yeah, fine.
Since this kite is divided into 6 parts,
each part of the kite represents the fraction 1/6.
Well done. Son, should I pack these kites?
Yes, Uncle. Thanks. It was fun knowing about fractions.
Dhruv, I was thinking to buy more kites to practice. What do you think?
Not a bad idea.
Would you like to see more kites?
Yes, Uncle. And remember, it should be blue in color.
Oh yes, since it's your lucky color.
Hey, all these kites look the same.
Kids, if you look at them properly, these kites are different.
Uncle, but they look the same.
Look at this kite. This kite is divided into 2 equal parts. One out of 2 equal parts is blue in color.
Okay.
Now, look at this kite. This is divided into 4 equal parts. 2 out of 4 equal parts are blue in color.
Oh yeah, it is divided into 4 parts.
Okay.
Can you do the same for the 3rd kite yourself?
The kite is divided into 8 equal parts. 4 out of 8 equal parts are blue in color.
So did you see how the same portion of the kite was represented by different fractions? These fractions are called equivalent fractions. We can say the value of the fractions in all the three kites is the same. Basically, kids, two or more fractions representing the same part of the whole are known as equivalent fractions. Since it represents equivalent fractions, we can say that half is equal to 2/4, which is equal to 4/8.
Okay, Uncle.
Uncle, please pack these 7 kites.
Okay, son.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thanks, Uncle.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, kids. All the best for the kite competition.
Today I learnt a lot about fractions. When a whole is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction of the whole. We can use fractions to identify different parts of an object. I also learnt about equivalent fractions. Two or more fractions representing the same part of the whole are known as equivalent fractions. We can say the value of the fractions in all the three kites is the same. An example of equivalent fraction is half is equal to 2/4, which is equal to 4/8. That's all I have got for now. Bye. Have a great day.